Welcome to Leukemia and Lymphoma Society. That is and Light the Night. The people usually they make for the cancer survivor. The cancer the people they taking supports, and there's a three different slide. You can see the red, yellow, and white. So they make the white one first who just actually survive, and the yellow one the people they can pass away, and the red people is already support for the people the cancer survivor, and they also the option for the donate. So just making the virtual power here. So this is the spot for the people making for to inside that light, write something for who will get pass away or support no matter what.
He was one of my best friends from fifth grade.
No matter what.
The end of college.
Cable. Let's see. So I want to just write something too.
Team G lights the night in honor of Gretchen, who lost her battle to leukemia. We hold gold lanterns to celebrate Gretchen's life and show our love for her.
I like the night for Lily. She was a daughter, a sister, a friend, and a U.S. Army veteran who served in Iraq. Leukemia took Lily's life when she was only 27, but she lives on forever in the hearts of everyone who knows.
They have their pen here.
I like the night for Mary.
And
Bella, who will always be remembered as a joyful soul who loved the beach, her family, animals, and the...
I like the night for Mary, whose singing and music cut short by this disease. She will be dearly missed.
I lost my Nana, Kimberly, to lymphoma after a 9-month battle. She was beautiful, loving, kind, silly, and fun. I like the night for her, the most caring person in the world.
I like the night because we need all the light we can get in this world. We need to walk together to fight this disease and win.
I'm gonna ask again. New York City, how are we feeling? There we go. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society's Light the Night Manhattan. We're here, ready to raise our lanterns high to help blood cancer patients not only survive, but thrive. We're here to remember those that we've lost. We're here to save the lives of those who are in treatment, and we're here to make sure the lives we save can be lived to the fullest. Now let me tell you a bit about why I'm here to light the night with you. We take this moment to remember those we've lost to cancer, to celebrate the impact that they've had, and to ensure that their losses will make us even more determined to find a cure. Thank you. You can now bring your gold lanterns down, but please keep them lit. Daniela was diagnosed with lymphoma on June 3rd, 2022, when she found out her diagnosis. She was numb, shocked, and in disbelief. She remembers shortly after her diagnosis texting her brother and one of her best friends in every background who give us hope for the future. Survivors, are you ready? Please lift your lanterns high. The patients not only survive, but thrive. Survivors, we salute you. After 1 month in the hospital full of blood transfusions, biopsies, and chemo, Jasmine and Ray were able to breathe a sigh of relief when the doctors are lanterns high to join our survivors. Look around you. See the power of not only your one lantern, but thousands of them working together to create a powerful, life-saving light. Together, we are the light that will cure cancer. Together, we will light the night. Manhattan, are you ready to light the night? Woo! Manhattan, are you ready to light the night?
Yeah!
All right, then let's count together from 5. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Have a great walk, ladies and gentlemen. Be sure to come back for music and our virtual firework finale.
The Leukemia and Lymphoma Society, thank you for lighting the night with us. This is where we go.
We will wait for a few more walkers.